Your 2015 Mazda 3's infotainment system is the central hub for entertainment, navigation, and vehicle information. Understanding how it works and what can go wrong is essential for maintaining a smooth driving experience. The infotainment system consists of multiple interconnected components, including the head unit, navigation system, audio amplifier, and various control interfaces throughout your vehicle. Like any computer, your infotainment system can experience glitches and malfunctions. These issues typically stem from software problems, faulty SD cards, connection issues, or temporary system lag. Common problems include frozen or unresponsive screens, unexpected system reboots, audio cutting out, Bluetooth connectivity failures, touchscreen unresponsiveness, and navigation errors. These infotainment problems are more than just inconveniences. They can distract you while driving and reduce access to important safety features, potentially increasing risk on the road. Before resorting to complex solutions, start with simple troubleshooting steps. First, ensure your system is actually powered on, as the volume knob also functions as the power button and can be accidentally turned off. If the power check doesn't resolve the issue, try a soft reset. This is a quick fix for minor glitches that doesn't delete any of your saved data or settings. Understanding these basic troubleshooting steps can resolve many common infotainment issues quickly and safely. In the next section, we'll explore more advanced reset methods and additional solutions for persistent problems. When your Mazda infotainment system freezes or becomes unresponsive, a soft reset is often the quickest solution. This method resolves temporary glitches without deleting any of your saved data. First, ensure your ignition is in the on or ACC position, but do not start the engine. Then simultaneously press and hold 3 specific buttons for about 10 seconds. The screen will restart automatically, and your system should return to normal operation with all your settings and data intact. For more persistent issues that a soft reset cannot resolve, you may need to perform a hard reset. This is a deeper system reset that can resolve stubborn glitches. With the ignition on, press and hold the volume, favorites, and nav buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. The system will either reset or enter diagnostic mode. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. This will completely wipe all user data and return the system to its original default settings. Only use this option when other methods have failed. Navigate to the Settings menu on your infotainment screen, then select System, followed by Restore Factory Settings. Confirm your choice and allow the system to reboot completely. A faulty or dirty navigation SD card can cause system slowdowns and map loading failures. Regular cleaning of the SD card contacts can resolve these issues. First, turn off your vehicle completely. Locate and carefully eject the SD card, usually found near the center console. Clean the gold contacts using a pencil eraser or contact cleaner, then reinsert the card and restart the system. Keeping your infotainment software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and bug fixes. Regular updates can prevent many common issues from occurring. Access the Settings menu on your infotainment screen, navigate to System, then select Software Update. Connect to Wi-Fi if available, and follow the on-screen instructions to download and install any available updates. These reset methods and maintenance procedures should resolve most infotainment system issues. Start with the soft reset for minor problems, and progress to more comprehensive solutions only when necessary.